Hi everyone! In this video, I want to give you a brief demonstration of the ITS Nabu CyberSec training platform, focusing on a hacked website incident. First, access our webpage and log into the system using your registered credentials. Once you've logged in successfully, select a training module and start the sandbox. Wait for the initialization, and when it's ready, you can begin the training. On the training page, you'll see the backstory in the description box. Below that is the sandbox environment. Proceed to the next page to read the problems in the description box, along with the desired content. Our platform supports both Bahasa and English. You can access the virtualized hacked server by right-clicking the node and selecting Open Console. Now, you can perform Unix commands in the virtualized hacked server. Don't worry, no servers are harmed during this process. You can search for all clues in the virtualized hacked server. Enter your answers in the answer box. If you need help, you can click the hint button, but remember, it will reduce your points. Once you're ready, click the Submit and Continue button to move on to the next page and solve the continual problem. You can go back to virtualized hacked server that once you've opened it. Here you can find additional clues about the hidden page injected into the virtualized hacked server. You only need to use Unix commands to search for it. You can also verify the information you have by checking Google. In here, we also provide multiple choice questions. At the end, you can see your results. You can also access the result in the dashboard. Now that you have finished, you can stop your sandbox once the training is complete to prevent it from continuing to run. I hope you get a glimpse of ITS Nabu. Check our social media for further information. Thank you for watching. ITS Nabu, where cybersecurity meets real-world cases.